layaway boat. And we got Chris helping us out, and John, and Laz, yours truly. We're ready to go get smoked. Right, John? We're gonna get smoked today. All right. We're here at John's Pass. All right, we're on our way. It's John's Pass there, all the restaurants. We're headed offshore today. About 10, 11 miles offshore, possibly. And we're looking for snappers and hogfish. It's supposed to be pretty good.
Then you got it.
Got Captain John there. We got some smooth waters today, very calm, beautiful conditions. Actually, we got a bay boat. We're headed offshore. Usually you need an offshore boat, but we got our bay boat today. And beautiful weather. Okay, here we are. We reached our destination. Let's see if we can get some bites now, hopefully. We're over a reef.
Let it hit bottom and give it some slack.
We're about 11, 12 nautical miles offshore right now. We've just anchored on a reef. Let's see what happens.
Oh yeah, we're on the bigger
Whoa,
one.
I got some. Yep. Oh,
You're not on the reef, are you?
I don't know.
Let me see. Oh, there's a fish on you. Nice. Oh,
Yeah, there you
a
go.
little grunt white cap.
Yeah. Got a grunt.
Took you in the hole there.
Yeah.
Needed some slack for a sec. So
Okay. Yep. That's a. Yep. He's hitting here now. Come on. Oh,
You got him out?
yeah.
There you go. There was a grouper, I think.
Come on, you son of a gun.
Here. Oh, here. No, he corrected first.
Got him. I see him. What is it?
Nice. Yeah.
Okay. He's a big guy. He's a big guy. Oops. Yep. Yeah.
Yo, you guys play no games?
Yeah.
Play no games. I have to give you guys credit. That is a nice little snake. How do you know if it's a keeper or not?
Well, these are grunts. Grunts you keep of any size.
As long as they're decent.
It's actually these are grunts. See with the blue lines on there?
Right.
Yeah. And
Good eating?
oh yeah. They're good white meat.
You fillet them or you cook them home?
I fillet them.
You cook them home.
Oh yeah. Check this guy out. Check him out, camera.
All right, throw them in there.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
he got a spot there?
Yeah, spot tail pinfish. Nice. Smile for the camera. Got you on video here. Woo. Nice. They're good eating too.
Are they?
Yeah. Nice white meat. You fry them up. I got something. Oh, I think he got off. Oh no, it's still on. Little guy. What is this? Whoa, ouch, knee knock. Rockfish? I throw them back, are they? You? Yeah. Okay, rockfish. It's your lucky day. Come on, hogfish, John. Hogfish, come on. spot tail pinfish. There you go. It's okay. Fry them up.
You might have to move the spots.
Come on, we just started. Relax. Relax. Sean looks like he's got something here. I got you. You son of a gun. Taking my bait, I'm gonna get you back.
Oh,
Another, what is,
spot tail pinfish.
well, it's better than nothing. Don't put him over the water in case he breaks off.
Damn, he got a good one. Just get him up, bro. That's a good one.
Come on, stay on there. I got you on tape here, so you better come through.
Was that a hot? Oh, that's a jumbo mangrove.
Wow, check it out, man.
Yes,
Woo!
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Man, that's a nice one, bro. That's an offshore mangrove.
Let's see that when you get it off. Get it on video.
That's a good mangrove snap.
Let me take a pic. Hold on. Get a pic while on video. Whoa, hold on. What happened? All right, that's a mangrove, isn't it? Yeah.
That measure.
Oh yeah. Where's the measure? All right. That's good. All right. Let's see. Let me get this on film.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, nice.
Yo, that's a good fish to eat. Yeah? Is it yellowtail? Nah, that's a pork fish.
Wow, that's a nice, beautiful fish.
That thing tastes good, bro. Yeah, I ate them before. And I got that in down south for
Is there any size limit on that?
No, I don't think so. I'm gonna double check.
Look
I
at that.
just looked it up this morning.
Let me see if I can get a picture too.
Go over right on there.
Yeah. Hold on, one more.
You gotta try
Hold
this
on,
fish,
last.
man. You're gonna love it. There's no limit on it? Nah, that's like an aquarium fish too.
It's like an aquarium. That's cool. Let me get a picture of him too. I got a video going, but let's see if I get a picture. Okay. And Zeki could, Zechariah could download the stuff and give it to you.
Hold on to it? Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna double check it right now.
Cool. It's like a tropical fish, right? Like you see in an aquarium.
I
Beautiful.
would like that in my aquarium.
Yeah. Get that on video. What's the name of it? Say it again.
A grunt pork fish.
It's a grunt pork fish, no limit. Ah, cool.
Oh my god. Grouper.
No.
Another spot-tail pinfish.
No. Okay. Hey, it's better than nothing. You get enough of them, we'll have a meal. Got something. Probably another spot tail.
Nope, it's a mangrove. Yes. Oh, that's a grunt. That's a grunt.
Grunt.
Yeah, it's still a good one.
Okay. All right. We'll take them, right? Okay. Yeah, that must be right off the reef right there, back there. I don't know. It's right at the edge here. Okay, guy. Join the ranks of the other fish.
get this camera on. Okay. Get ourselves a nice run here. Alrighty.
Right in front of him.
Looks like he's on again. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice grunt. Looks like he's got something.
Damn, that's a big spot tail.
Big spot tail. Yep. For this guy. Alright.
You got plenty of fish
Got
today, huh?
grunt. There, whoa. Woo. Okay. Got me another grunt.
Boom. That's a grouper. Go, my boy. Get the net, get the net. We got it. He's fighting. Oh, that's a big snap. Oh, that's a hog.
Hogfish.
Oh, it's a big snapper.
No, big. Whoa.
Damn, that's a jumbo, yo.
Yo.
That's a big old snapper.
Yeah, buddy, claim your prize, bro.
Golly.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Damn, bro,
Yeah.
that's the biggest snap PB right there.
Yes, sir.
Holy cow, John.
That's the biggest snapper I ever got.
Dang.
Right.
Woo. Wow. Let me see, John. See if they take the picture. Hold on. Let's take a picture. Hold on. There it goes.
That is dead.
Hold on. I want to get like.
You ready?
God. That is nice snapper, bro. All four snappers.
Ooh. We never caught nothing that big, right, John?
Not a snapper.
Not a snapper. Yeah. Yeah.
When did you notice the? You
So
saw
I
the
was
pole?
talking to him. I was trying to see the pole bending over.
I'm like, no, it's my fault hitting it. No, it's not.
17. Or 16. Oh yeah, darn near 17.
He's a big boy.
Hold the tail.
What size hook you use for that?
3-0 or 4-0.
There you go. Hold them up, bud. Nice.
Little mangrove. Oh, it's a freaking
What is
spot
it?
tail.
Dang, keep him.
Like angler up with Grant. That's a good one. I mean, it's still a nice fat fish.
Yeah. Spot tail. Leaving that reef now, going to a new reef and making our way back to shore. Really smooth today. We were blessed to have a beautiful day. Caught a lot of fish so far.
that's a lot. That thing's probably like 500K at least. Yeah, bro. That thing
Oh yeah.
at least 500K. Oh, he got 4? Bro, that thing's like a mil, dog. Bro, a boat like that, bro, you wouldn't think like, oh, bro, that thing's like 800,000. Look at that. He got 400. That might be a mil. Bro, he got 200K in motors at least. Maybe 300K alone.
Why so much, man? Just to like go.
I don't know. He might run offshore. Like.
How you doing?
Good, bro. Everything's good.
There we go. Here we go, boys. This is the catch of the day. We feel good because the other boat came back and they said didn't even get one bite. We got a lot of fish. Sorry for that. We're here at John's Pass and check out the catch. Check out the catch. We're here with Brother Laz, Brother John, and Brother Paul. Check it out. Check it out. Check this out. Check it out. Show Uncle Phil. This is our charter.
You should be doing charters. I'm gonna start doing charters.
John, you should have some cards made out so
Yeah. And Cape Canaveral, they pin them on the wall. Like they get nails and they stick the fish so that everyone sees. He's like, y'all want to go on that boat?
This is a.
That's the mark.
Here's Captain John filleting some fish.
It was an absolute
Hey,
pleasure.
nice meeting
I
you.
appreciate
Laz.
you. Appreciate
Hey, bro,
everything.
be safe, man.
Yeah,
you
be
know.
safe.
I'll see you Monday.
We had a good time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Man.
Yeah, anytime, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna be going a lot more.
Okay, it was a beautiful day. John's gonna finish filleting these fish and a beautiful sunset in beautiful Treasure Island here. And we had a great time today. Over and out.
Alright guys, so as you just saw, we were out there in John's Pass, Treasure Island area, St. Pete. We were about maybe 11 to 13 miles offshore on Pinellas South Reef. And we were catching, you know, so I caught a big jumbo mangrove snapper. We caught a few more snappers, some spot-tail pinfish. You know, you don't hear a lot about spot-tail pinfish catching coats, but to be honest, they're really good meat. They're nice and white and they taste delicious. We got a bunch of Key West grunts and those are delicious. Even people that are real picky with fish, they'll say that Key West grunts are just as good as a snapper. It's basically a white snapper. And we got, my boy Laz got a porkfish, which is a special type of grunt. It looks like an aquarium fish. He took that one home, so he's gonna be eating that. and that thing is delicious too. So right now, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing here. I'm gonna make some deep fried fish nuggets. And right now I'm gonna make some deep fried fish nuggets. So I took all my fillets and I cut them into sizes about like this. Some of them are more thin, so you can make them a little bigger, but the real fat ones, you make them like that. Just like a chicken nugget. And this way you get more breading on each piece, and it gets a nice golden brown crust. And I love it this way. I mean, you can always leave your fillets whole, but this way is just bite-sized pieces, and they come out really crispy and delicious, and I'll show you that. So I got, in this batter right here, I got eggs, milk, and you can get either minced or chopped garlic. And you could always add in seasonings in here, but I put a lot of seasoning in the flour. So here I just have eggs, milk, and minced or chopped garlic. Or you can even get pureed garlic, which I got, which is really good too, because it just blends in with the liquid. And then here I got flour, breadcrumbs. You could use panko or Italian. I use both. But right here I got Italian breadcrumbs. And then you add in whatever seasonings you want with the flour and breadcrumbs. Today I used sazon or adobo, some black pepper. Let me wipe my hands. I got a little bit of black pepper in there, onion powder. I got garlic powder, paprika. What else did I put? Yeah, garlic powder. So I got this stuff, some adobo or sazon, whatever one you like. It's the same thing, really. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and we got this seasoning too. My brother bought on I think it was Amazon. It's black and tan black salt steak rub. It's really good too. It's like a salty black pepper. That's good stuff too. So I mixed all that together with the breadcrumbs, flour, and mix it all up nice and even. And now I'm gonna take each piece. I left the fish to be in here for probably about 30 minutes. You don't have to leave it that long, you know, but I just really wanted to soak in the egg and the flavor. So you can take each piece, put it in here like that, and coat each side. I like to do is though, get it really coated like that. So it's nice. So when you fry it, it's going to be really nice and crispy. Or what you could do is, I have a lid for this, and if that might take too much time because I have a lot of fish here. So I can drop each piece in like this and put a bunch at once. And this will save you a lot of time, especially if you got a lot of food. Put each piece in. And then what you do is you get a lid, which I have here, and then you just give it a good shake. Shake it up really good so everything's coated nice and even, and just pick out your pieces and put them on the plate. So that's a faster way to do it if you have a lot of fish. And real quick, let me just talk about this. What we're gonna make on the side with it is yuca. Yuca. And this stuff is really good. I don't know if you've ever tried it, but you know, a lot of people have heard of tostones and platanos. And that's good stuff too, but this is basically like a root. And you can get this, I mean, you could buy it at the supermarket and you gotta peel it yourself. But at Walmart, they sell this big bag here. It's about like $8 or something. It's a lot of yuca though. And you get some boiling water, and the directions say to add in a little salt and lime juice into the boiling water. And then you just add your yuca in and leave it for 30 minutes. And what I like to do is the best way to eat yuca is you take, after it's all finished and boiled, you know, you drain the water, and then what I do is I make a garlic butter, which I use for my seafood, my shellfish, my shrimp, and I put, you know, minced or chopped or pureed garlic with butter, and I usually add in some paprika, garlic, olive oil. No, I mean, you could add olive oil if you want, but I add in onion powder too, a little pepper. So it gives it a little Cajun flavor, and you mix that all in with the butter, and you put it in with a butter stick in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, let it melt down, and you get it really hot, and you serve it with your yuca or whatever else you're gonna do. You know, you can eat shrimp, crawfish, clams, whatever you want to dip it in. It's delicious. So I'm gonna get to putting my yuca in here, finish battering up this fish, and I'll get back with you once I start frying. All right, guys. So we got this fish breaded up. It's ready to get fried. While I was breading this fish, I actually took the yuca and I sauteed some onions. I sauteed the onions in some butter and garlic, and I dumped them in here into the pot of yuca. I drained the water after 30 minutes. I sauteed the onions and garlic, threw them in here with a little pepper, and that's delicious. And my wife actually made some picadillo, which is like avocado, you know, cilantro, a bunch of stuff, onions, and we could use that too for this yuca. Over here I got some ham steak being sauteed up. This is actually, we got this from Sam's Club. It's really good. It's good for breakfast with eggs and stuff, but we're sauteing some ham steak, and now we're gonna start frying up this fish. So I like to do is, you can do like less oil, but it's more of like a deep fried taste when you have the oil like this, like a layer of oil. I use a smaller pot so it's more deep, and I drop the fish in here like that. And this way, because if you have a thin layer of oil, you can only put so much fish in at once. With this, you can actually add layers of fish, and it's going to cook regardless because there's a lot of oil in the pot. So I'm going to deep fry this up, and once it's all finished, I'll show you the texture of what it should be. It should be a nice golden brown. You don't want it burnt, and you don't want the layer of breadcrumbs and flour to be soft either. You want it to be a little crunchy. And this is like a recipe inspired by, like, a lot of times you see at the restaurants, grouper nuggets. And these look just like chicken nuggets, so I cut up my snapper and everything else into nugget sizes. So that way it's like a nice juicy piece, bite size. So I'll catch back with you guys in a second, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, the food's ready. We made some ham over here. There's the yuca right there with the onions. That looks really good. And then here's the fish. I layered it up with some paper towels so that way it catches the oil or whatever's in there. But I'm gonna give one of these a try. See, it's just like a chicken nugget. Really good. In all honesty, this is my best way to cook fish. Deep fry it with some breadcrumbs and flour. This right here is the snapper. It's really good. And this right here is the spot tail pinfish. This one here. I can tell by the color, but it's really good. Spot tail pinfish, if you ever catch it offshore, you're not gonna find spot tail pinfish inshore, you'll find them offshore. And don't let the name confuse you with pinfish. It's actually a really good fish. It's got nice white meat, and the flavor is really good. And the grunt, I don't even need to explain the grunt because you're not going to taste the difference between a grunt and a snapper. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. God bless you, and we'll catch you next time.